Hi, within the tutorial video we will discuss the part on the hot mic on the computer. Fit and we have placed on the right is computer and technology to work to provide a UX and versatility and the time on connect to virtual work. Computer are divided into four parts. First, output device. Second, input device. Third, store device. Fourth, device processing. First, output device. A hard device have connection and service structured on the computer. Have the webcam, the scatter, the monitor and printer, everything hands. Second, input device. A device has mixed the function from on the struct on the computer on the computer. We have mouse, keyboard, microphones, and others. 3. History device consists on the word driver, DVD, and CD, USB, among others. 4. DVC processing. Our DVC run on the two star on the computer we have on the board on the bus, the CPU, memory RAM, months over.